This video is a step-by-step tutorial to walk you through NOWData, NOAA online weather data to access data for extreme temperature. Specifically, we will be looking for the lowest and highest recorded temperatures as the measurements for extreme temperature. Your hazard mitigation plan should include discussion on past occurrences and impacts of this hazard, and we will be showing where you can find all of this. For northern and central Vermont, you will use data from the Burlington weather station, which you can see here. For those located in southern Vermont, you will use data from the Albany weather station. Individual links will be on our website or in the video description. After accessing the data to NOWData, you should select your location. So I'll be using the Burlington area, but you should be choosing a station closest to your community. Next, you will select product, and I will be using calendar day summaries. Next, under options, you'll choose your year range, and I will be leaving it as the default. Under variable, select max temperature, and I will be keeping daily maximum as the summary option. Then click Go. This chart is showing you a bunch of data, but the numbers in red are the highest temperatures in each month alongside the year it occurred. And once the highest temp has been identified, you could just hit this X in the top right corner to go back to the search and just change the variable from maximum to minimum and keep everything else the same. So click Go again, and you'll get a separate data, but this time the numbers in blue are the minimum temperatures in each month alongside the year that it happened. To create a holistic picture of the event, you can reference historical disaster impacts, loss estimates to infrastructure, facility systems, people, or essential capabilities. This concludes our tutorial on extreme temperature hazard data, and this video is a part of a series produced by Vermont Emergency Management's Hazard Mitigation Program. For more information, you can find us on the web, email us, or see more tutorials on our YouTube channel.